cooperative. And you cannot commercial bank. When you power down, you can say, in your let's show them some.
Madam, my son, you say, is there a name in our crowd? Do someone to say, they are much behind.
Nana, I'm saying, buying your boy. Answer, I made started and say, Jana money. Nipa from so to me back. You say, the castle be a queer, and I'm not the actually. A buyer, a man said, Mr. Sign a kind, a GCB, or no can Ghana commercial bank. It is here the GCB bank. I'm saying, one managing director. Yan for our bay. Ghana, dear, in say as a sura. But be a would be a Debbie Sawyer day, Ubeno, now we Ashanti region house we are in Quabatepi, branches in the door so high. The Waba Abanisan, so a ma one in one term. Now I met in Shiraka Crow and Wa. I say a Bimanukra, a bed in Kakraman. It is a buyer. Say or by so be in much a fin waba na or in an answer in an amano a punch like a crack now what to for cacra dear buyer on your or no person about a penny for tis a quite one can be introduction now it ever started free Ella Emmanuela or now or managing director ni P. Near war Faustina Achamfua if he Ashanti region have gone off in corporate banking, customers are Cassia on the show also. If we have called Tamale holding on the show also. Near war, your chief internal auditor, Mrs. Wilhelmina Siama Sonia. A game is also a corporate affairs. I'm on a book where born you my in a hotel. Here be at the form so I am. Corporate affairs, I'm paying pan on Patricia was Mrs. Only that corporate affairs now. The A in only a born them. Here be a one in a now, a basse. Yamen Passa, my bank in Kunya Sema. Yes, so general counsel or in our share bank in your way now. So about legal issues, or more dear Kana or Munchia. On a dear quality is the general legal counsel. Now, Papa Kuruso, the friend of Linus Kumi. I don't like share corporate banking, only executive head corporate banking department, or the buyer. So, Sena Kamagati will be Kokasa now, Senadio again, and he say, go to Ghana. On the executive head to retail banking, the retail banking in a we didn't be a one no be besides Sena Kamagati, the Ghana, I have found. But there will no yes. But what's not a use of Dunqua to a bossing Dunqua. And now, with you, wow, dear. I said, Kumasi High School. Now, Joyce, Chumasi, or also employee, a bar staff welfare, and as a food in a solution. Now, Dominic Cobner, you see operations, a bar in Fidia, we operations and what GCB now, your head, on the head of operations. Now, we have Nana Quabna, Yaboa. Yes, HR, head of HR. We have a funny pope, a better than you, but it also. And I does. Ernest, yeah, that's our video. Or then Faustina, no, so on moon, if we have good time, who said in Sikai. I'm at the Abafi. They didn't have board, your board secretary. The board secretary. Now, Kumawu Abrantie. It's a fellow, Socrates, Afra. And then MD Nuha, Deputy Managing Director, Isikas Finance. Now, PBF in my brow, bread. Now, Ferguson, Yaya Abraham, only a chief of staff. GCB chief of staff. And so, I said, me, Yamidi and Sana, Macoem, so, Mundi, the and country. I'm very pleased to me, Yamidi. You see a family George Apple. But they have no one. That's regional manager. Now, GCB is here, or Gakwata, Nigeria, also Gakwata, and the Bern Faran Al Hassan. Nana, you buy and so you to me a massa. A yika cray, a yebunisa, your pensy paradise, sada, near war gravitation, so sada, near washing up contumienza. Kakra, so be a day at Asantehene. Now, maybe a buyer.
Commissioner. So good afternoon, and I'm going to say make a tree, but maybe I make a Muslim, so permission to speak English. Good afternoon, and thank you very much for a very, very warm welcome and hospitality. This is not my first time in the palace. I've come here so many times. The last time was when there was just a month ago, the first Acquisitor of the year. I was in this same palace, in this same house. But I've always come here as a grandson to Nana. Today I'm happy to be here, not just as a grandson, but also as the managing director of the biggest bank in the country. Our mission here is just to introduce me to Nana. He knows me already as his grandson, but the bank team deems it fit to again come as a bank to introduce me to him as the next person to take the bank to the next level. We need Nana's blessings to be able to do what we want to do. Asantehene is critical to what GCB does. And so it would be wrong for Asantehene to see me performing my duties when I've not come to introduce myself properly to Asantehene and to seek the blessings of the kingdom before I start working. So whilst he's my grandfather and knows that I was appointed, we are here officially to tell him that he should give us the blessings and permission to go out there and make him proud. That's the reason why we are here. Today perhaps is my happiest day, because, and I'm sure it's my grandfather's happiest day as well. If you recall, we were here about 5 years ago with Adani when you did your surprise birthday for him, and you asked Adani who is he leaving the bank for. I'm sure the answer is now clear, except that he was not handing over Stanbic. He's now handing over a much bigger bank for your grandson to take over. We need your counsel, we need your guidance, and I understand that it has always been so with anyone who has been appointed as the MD for GCB Bank. But mine will be special because of the bond that I share with my grandfather. You know, if anyone cannot tell your grandfather anything, he's the grandson who can always go and play with his beard and do everything he wants to do with his grandfather. So I would expect a lot more from my grandfather. If the calls were happening just on a monthly basis with the former MDs, it should happen on a daily or weekly basis. I know it's not just the banks, even the country at large sometimes falls on its wisdom to steer affairs of the country. And so we would come in all the time to ask for your guidance, for that bit of wisdom to also run GCB. It's the biggest bank in the country, and running it is not easy at all. The only good thing is that ever since I took over, I've enjoyed enormous support from my colleagues here. The support has been amazing. And for a period, I got that comfort that I was not being thrown into a land mine. That was initially the feeling. But coming in, the support has been tremendous. And as our grandfather is here, I would want you to thank them as well for me for the support that they've given me so far, and to urge them to continue to give me that support. Without them, there's no way I'll be able to deliver the mandate that has been handed over to me. So thank you very much, Nana. Thank you very much to the casemen for the very warm welcome and hospitality. Like I said, we'll be working very closely with you. We're coming to you as and when we need you. This is actually home, and I feel very comfortable and happy to be here. Thank you very much. Zoom. Zoom.
GCB bank there say if you take na our Ghana mem here
Zoom.
And crabata baby crabia secrane bi ho
Zoom.
We come in Kroma penso sabra ba bedru sabre na aya dia aya bank esumbo magana man
Zoom.
Nti say aban kase ko ho na chese kana skasam ni nwuma yesem nyina ye de hye mon sasa mon kom na mon hwenye ni yema
Zoom.
Amina na emini no that I ofiti ase wo Barclays Bank na mo friend apsa nyina odi mfie aduonu nsia ye no manager ketekete na afi no ya ye no
Zoom.
Eche ya wo cost ambek nso oni andane no adwuma wo hyehyɛ ye nyina menim ne nyina sana e betru ne
Zoom.
Ase ka so be kwa he akwesi de oba ye wa hye ne nkremota de gya ho no gyina kwa no ho amene o mampanye ba na che o ka so ba no hu nam se an no se asa nti eche bo ni din me hu se ona obetimi nso aye
Zoom.
Nti ya so nipa wo hia wo nyina nim diefo e wo dada obaye de menana no no apo won de menana
Zoom.
secretary so obaye wo hwe kama o chocho
Zoom.
na o yen e ka se ho no be kro e ka che me anam so obetimi aye
Zoom.
abotre ni ahobrase amanim se won ho no ensesan
Zoom.
o penipem kra ya na se de ofere tetenyina sa na ote so boko
Zoom.
na ni tisinkratem no akan
Zoom.
ti se oni munyina so mo na munye ba ene no bank nsem no ye hwa embo ama Ghana enkoso
Zoom.
bank no amoye ne nyina ayese ye diska no koto treasury bills na mo balance book ma ye fefe na economy no de na mo ya bo
Zoom.
banks ne nyina as mo investment ne nyina wo ye to treasury bill na ye ne ya balance we ne ye wo yenyeska anti economy no se enutika ho na no so mboa no
Zoom.
ya red deliberate yi bi ebetu ya amana boa either say banks na ne aban beka the central bank beka ne ehunu kwen be fa so a ebetumi anyeska bi a interest no wo fo na motimi de awura economy no industry ne ya Kenya raw materials ni ho
Zoom.
the main industry into see import substitution na Kenya na say economy na ntimi angram agriculture anye ya bo ye dan ya ye bekra ne ma ye ka mo ye bekra ne aba mo aba jebosia ne akra ne de aba na chese pressure wo so
Zoom.
the point be ne be fa so e benya ma eniema sa industry ye ka industry must be supported with the raw material base agriculture ye long term ti banks no pese e disika be go
Zoom.
was what do bisika buying and selling money what they call agriculture long term also penisika no interest Nti kasa import substitution na ma dollar no pressure beba so sa. The banks no dey na momo ye money aban beka ye be hunu sese nete. So aban ko bobo sia bi sese bi obonda na ye kekan bi. Na ye ka sese sika we dey e dey kwa agriculture na banks for no nye emfanko e dey ko industry bank for no nye emfanko. So interest rate no ya spreading na fi ya hwa. And no dey no say bosia na ho na ekro. Enim say turnover na china returns no be come.
Jom.
And this are the mo ye nyina bedim sika beto na so age afi you know social security net musika na mo be kwa kochesi fa bi beto pension fund fa bi beto na dada no na so investment be pa na ekwa deba.
Jom.
Nti mama yenhwe ni ye na sese aban fofra be ye hu kwa be fa so na be ka be hu se ekwa se ni e fa so a ebetumi abo ama economy na aye ye.
Jom.
Buying and selling of money. Nankola school fees, Monfan and Triana balance sheet to Koso. And yeah, Miss Antimania amused about young mobile economy, no quay for soon. Adding this I try transit Benya investments. Investor be also balance economy no ya. Oh my
Jom.
Ye coco can professor say investors. Economy no ye Emma.
Jom.
Nti ne yade a me ben ne motrase ayenwe ho ne board no na kwaye banks ne nyina abetumi ayen na central bank ne motrase ne ho na ye hu se ye betumi anya attractive funds bibio e dey say any aye de ye gire tax ne dey koma GR ne ye ko GR for sika bi beto senate for sika bi beto onya na o ten ra so government say treasury also bosia or there 90 days 180 days near tree interest easy try any banking to me mommy na challenges mo na any money na me be the idea so a wonu an nyina nka mo chance amonwedwere ho ye hu kwan e be fa so abansa na monya bi sika so wa bontin bio sene banks
Jom.
Go the sika a good damn a good safe from magazine no ne baby still as cow damn say kwambe number first one me attract as there will be a while or quite sika no one dem watum
Jom.
ti kwambe number first one obeko won ho akwaji say sika na babegu na aboa mama monso matimi de aye adwuma
Jom.
obo wa sabi o ti dwom aso ne sika gu ne dem on sorry ma wo no air condition wo no just a whoop magazine oil the chat iron hoisia or bow cry was so a way a botai was in any fear as you scan on
Jom.
then quite never fast way a bayan massa nania j sahino. And as I say, nipper be so ye bank and nam some SCC and Tino so your quam befast one by Mandipa JDC and pass bank no home now, we see can rat near day. Tini nyina ya adwuma wo se mo hwe na mo ye ne ade
Jom.
de mo se sama bana mon ka mom se de ina na ye na mo nyina mo mbo ano adwuma na nye ono ne dia mo nyina ne ga na ma dia
Jom.
na to no mo ka ho a ene title kura mo nyina ebe wo ho title ne kura mo nyina se nyina ebe ye adwuma bo am na wo
Jom.
sa dia title no kwa bank na so be ko afi sikani ho ye se ne title no fa kofi
Jom.
na momwa no mane ye
Jom.
the almost on the mission